Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today we are buying a motorcycle club. It's on sale, so I'm gonna take advantage of it today. I hope you guys like, subscribe and share this video. I will be giving this character away when I reach my target goal, which I don't know yet, but subscribe and stay tuned, you will find out. I'm searching on the map to see if I could find something that I could afford. I have limited money, so I'm choosing this one. You can customize it to make it look nice. Right now I don't have that kind of money, so I choose not to do that. You can get an emblem for your motorcycle club, that's free. You also have a gun locker, which is 320,000. I think I'm gonna save my money. You also have the custom motorcycle shop, which is $530,000. Good Lord, that's a lot of money. Don't have that right now. You can name your motorcycle club whatever you want. I purchased this for $120,000, which is a steal. I wasn't ready for it, but I'm going to need it in the future, so might as well buy it while it's on sale. I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe to my video. It helps my channel grow. I'm planning on dropping a video once a week, so please stay tuned, and I will be giving away this character. Look out for that. Thank you. Have a good day. Peace.